In this video, I'm going to show you how to hang some hidden anchor floating shelves, kind of like these ones. So let's get started. To start, you're going to want to decide where you want to hang your shelves. I'm going to hang mine right here. I have 3 different sizes. One I'm going to put right here, and then a smaller size right about here, and then an even smaller size about here. So you pick your shelves out, you pick the wall you want your shelves on. For me, I'm gonna want to center the first shelf, the biggest one, between this wall. So I'm gonna take my tape measure and measure this. It's about 28 3/8. Half of that is about 14 3/16. Quick little tip to find the center with your tape measure. Instead of doing a bunch of math, you can take your tape measure. For instance, this was 28 3/8. You can put your tape measure right there, and then you can look down the tape measure. You can see that, and wherever that is center, that's 14 3/16. I did a video on that and a couple other math tricks with tape measures and how to read a tape measure. Check it out if you want. So at the height that I want the shelf, I'm going to mark center, 14 3/16. Light pencil mark. I'm going to measure off of here and make sure that is exactly 14 3/16. So now we have the center of the wall. Now we want to find the center of the shelf. And I'm going to take my tape measure, hold it like this. So I take the top side of this. You can tell it's the top side because on the back, these hangers, the larger portion is the bottom, and then the shelf hangs from this smaller little hook here. So the screw's right here, and you push it down on the hook. So I'm going to mark on the top so I can see it. A very light pencil mark. The other thing I want to do, whatever anchors you have on your shelf, you're going to want to mark them. So here's your anchor, and you want to mark on the top exactly where that anchor is with a light pencil mark. Do the same with the other side. Now you can take your shelf and take this center mark and line it up with the center mark on your wall at the height that you want it. And then we're just going to make a mark at those anchor points, about right there and right there. Now, don't go drilling any holes yet. What you want to do is grab a level. So in order to make sure we put the shelf level, we're going to use our level, and once that bubble is in between those 2 lines, kind of like that, that's how you know it's level. Just double check before you level this and make those marks that this end to the top of the shelf and this end right here where the screw sits to the top of the shelf is the same distance. And that way your line that you make is going to make the shelf completely level. So you go here at the height you want. Make sure that's level, and then you make a mark this way. So now you have a vertical mark and a horizontal mark. So you basically want to make some crosshairs. So I'm going to go like this and plumb this down. There's also a bubble here, so you can plumb that down, make some crosshairs. Do the same over here. Really light pencil marks, remember, because you can erase these. Let's talk about anchors. So these anchors here, I do not recommend for floating shelves. And there is a reason for that. The reason being is because when you have your shelf against the wall, we'll say this is the wall, you're going to put an anchor in the wall, and where is that force going to be? It's going to be down. This is going to act like a lever and pry this anchor out of the wall. Eventually, maybe not, but I just don't trust it. So what I recommend are these screw-in type. These screw right into the drywall, and then if it's pulled against, it's going to have these to hold against the drywall. Much better than those other anchors. And the other good thing about these is you don't have to pre-drill, so that saves a step. So before you put your anchors in, what I like to do is see if there's a stud here. I don't even bother looking for studs when I'm hanging stuff because it's more of a pain and you end up putting a bunch of holes, and stud finders don't really work that well. So if I get a stud, cool, I'm lucky, but if not, I rely on anchors. So what I like to do is take a screw and start it right at the center of those crosshairs. Like that. It ends up that I hit a stud there. So that's great. Perfect. So I lucked out. So on this side, we'll see if I hit a stud. See, no stud. You can tell because it'll grab the screw. This just went right through the drywall. You don't want to just put screws in like that and hang these because it's not going to work. It's not going to hold very long. So now you can take this screw out and grab your anchor, and it's got a nice point to it, and that will help you determine where it's going to go. And that kind of acts as a pilot bit, and put it right in the hole. Give it a little tap with a hammer. That's really all you need. And then grab your drill. Make sure it's even with the drywall. You almost want to sink it in to the drywall a little bit. And then there's your screw that got into the stud. At this point, you can probably take a pencil and erase your marks. And then you can even take some cleaner and really wipe that down if you want. That does a pretty good job. Erase your center mark and these ones over here. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna have a shelf blocking it. Next, you wanna look on the back of your shelf, and you're gonna notice there's a certain depth to these anchors. So it's kind of a guessing game. There's not really a way you can measure this, but you don't wanna put the screws tight. You wanna leave them out about that. I'd say between 1/4 of an inch and 1/8 of an inch. And then what happens is the shelf goes on, goes down, and it hooks. And if it's a little loose, we can tighten them up. I can put my other screw in. Like that. And then line these up. You kind of feel it drop in there, drop down into place. So this is it's a little loose, but it's also pretty close. So I'm just going to tighten it a little bit more. I'm going to put these screws in a little bit more. That's too much. Let's try that. feel around. Ooh, that one's tight. There we go, that one dropped on. Putting pressure this way. That's exactly how you want it. You want that to be nice and tight. So that's solid now. And now I'm going to hang my other two shelves. Hopefully that helps you out, and if you're new to the channel and you want to see some home repair tips and tricks and you just want to see me build a whole bunch of stuff, consider subscribing. And over here you can check out some of my other videos, so go watch those if you want. Please? Please? Thanks.